I'm reading a passage from a book, I Am That by Osho, where he's explaining meaning of Om. In Upanishad starts with Om, and quality of this literature is, it is said that if you understand the first line, you don't have to read the second line, you already know it. If you know the second line, you don't have to read the third line, you already know it. And it's built that way. So Upanishad starts with Om. Om Purnamada Purnamidam. That is how it starts. So Om is the first word. And so if you understand that, you don't have to read all of those things. And so Osho here is explaining what is Om. And that is what I am reading from page number 16. Talks on the Isha Upanishad, I Am That by Osho. Three sounds, A, U, M, O. Each seed mantra is preceded by mystic sound Om. The contain even the seed mantra. If you understand Om, you have understood everything. Upanishads are written in such beautiful way. First Om. If you can understand that, there is no need to talk ahead. Om means nothing. It is not a word. Hence, it is not written alphabetically. It is a symbol. It contains three sounds: A, U, M. These are the basic sounds: A, U, M. All other sounds come out of these three sounds. This is the basic trinity of sounds. Then the whole music of life grows out of this. Om means exactly what Zen people call the sound of one hand clapping. Om is the innermost music of your being. When all the thoughts and desires and memories have gone, have disappeared, and the mind is absolutely quiet and silent, there is no noise inside. You start hearing a tremendously beautiful music which does not consist of any meaning. It is pure music without any meaning, gives you great joy, fills you with celebration, makes you dance. You would like to shout hallelujah. But the music itself has no meaning. It is pure music, not polluted by anything. Om represents the inner music, that inner harmony, that inner humming sound which happens when your body, your mind, your soul are functioning together in deep accord, when the visible and invisible, the manifest and the unmanifest are dancing together, when they are like two lovers in deep love embrace, merging, melting into each other. The manifest making love to the unmanifest making love to the manifest, when the manifest and the unmanifest are no more two but have become one. Let me read the last paragraph again. Om represents the inner music, the inner harmony, that inner humming sound which happens when your body, your mind, and your soul are functioning together in deep accord. When the visible and the invisible, the manifest and the unmanifest are dancing together, when they are like two lovers in deep love embrace, merging, melting into each other. The manifest making love to the unmanifest, the unmanifest making love to the manifest, when the manifest and the unmanifest are one, more two, but have become one. The unmanifest making love to the manifest, when the unmanifest and the it taking that focus away, I can feel the love he's talking about. I think you got it. God bless you.